right, hopefully this is recording. This is Joe Diasana again, and I wanted to show you a um, really quick way to have a little bit more efficiencies when you're working with your phone. And this is iPhone. I'm not sure if there's going to be something similar on Android, but I'm sure there are. And what I've done is showing where you can use keyboard shortcuts for the same sets of text that you send time and time and time and time and time and time again. So there's two that I really use a whole lot, but you can kind of craft whatever it is that you need to create a shortcut for. So basically, on the iPhone, I'm going to go there right now, hit General, Keyboard, and Text Replacement. So this is the same list that gets copied over, and then this is on my MacBook. They have a different sequence, I guess. These are starting right here, ADD Daily. So for example, one of my things that I like to do in my BNI group is I do BNI TAG, because I like to tag a lot. So basically I hit BNI tag, and you can see BNI tag, where is it? On this breaks out to, and it's the same thing right here. On the iPhone, it breaks out into that, so you can send that. Here's another one that I use a lot. My signature, and it breaks out to this long signature, which, you know, to type all of that would take forever, and to dictate that would take forever. So I just put that at the end of my conversation, and it's super easy. You don't have to type it. Looks professional, right? One more thing you could do. Let's see, what did I do? OFFR. So hi there, I'll be scheduling your listing soon, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Give my MLS ID, and yada yada yada, and there we go, right? So oops, I see a mistake, so let me correct that. What is this? OFFR is what I did. So you gotta remember these. Some of them I thought I would use them, but I'm not. So oops, I don't like it. So this is how I can correct it. So there's an error here. So this is good. So select all. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna make the change in there, and paste it. Ooh, I don't know. Is that gonna look the same? Yeah. So let's try it. I'm gonna type it again. OFFR. Hopefully. Yep. It took the change. So there you go. So this was on the keyboard. So I went to System Preferences, and then I went to Keyboard, and that's where it is. But if I go into my phone, you'll see it right there. I'm highlighting it, and you can't really see it, so you have to format it somewhere else, and then cut and paste it. Let's see. Oh, here's another one. Open House, OHS. Right. Let's see. What else is there? I don't know. I think that's all that I use really nowadays. Everything else is HBD. That's a good one. HBD. Yeah, of course I can change all that by adding more emojis, because there are more emojis now. But yeah, so this is just a way to be super efficient and get things situated quickly. So hopefully that helps. Ciao.